When he was talking about production, we made mention about the harsh economic environment. Most times when I talk about production, I don't go into the negative aspect of production, because every single difficulty you are meeting in the course of production, there is a positive side that is killing it. Let me give you an example. When people talk about power, there is no power, energy to power the industry. It's true. We should have power to be able to do more. But again, when there is no power, you are generating power by yourself. So you are spending additional money to buy generators, to buy diesel. But again, where there is power over there is high cost of labor. But for you don't have power, the labor is cheap. So when it is difficult here, there is an easy way for you to also complement the difficult part. So production or manufacturing is a very beautiful thing, especially the way the country is constructed today. So produce, and then you look for where to consume. And then that's where social media comes in. But before we go into looking for people to consume the products and produce, how do you produce? How do you start production? Most times people just jump into production, not just because there is passion into what they want to do, but they are looking for big money. And in manufacturing, believe me, there is no big money. Every time, and then talk very good about it. And then read more about the products you are trying to sell. Don't be caught napping. When people ask you about your products, be so happy to talk about them. Give them the activities that will make them to come back for more. I remember vividly when we started the mayonnaise without paying any media outfit to advertise our market. Our mayonnaise, people took it upon themselves to advertise mayonnaise for us. The same thing with the nice, the herbal liquor that we produce. Both products are, the success of both products can be attributed to social media. It was you guys that made it popular. We didn't pay for anybody, we didn't pay anybody to do that. So those are the kind of things we get by operating on social media. And then they said, first, okay, by coming here today is providing you a platform to understand the benefits you can get from social media. And I'm glad this is the first edition, and then the number I'm saying is quite encouraging. By the time they come back the second time, I'm expecting the hall to be full. Our people, sometimes we don't associate with things like this. We think it will be a waste of time, especially when it has to do with making some payment. But I'm telling you that we are losing out on social media. Our people this part of the country, because we are on social media to gossip. We are on social media to waste our time talking on irrelevance. While people are now beginning to create mileage on social media by being intentional in what they want to gain from social media. Let me stop here and give you a quick time for some people that would like to ask some questions. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Miriam Odinaka, the International Data Mama. Okay, I want to ask you a question, sir. When you were starting off as a man, so your dreams, your aspirations, how did you handle the times you were depressed, you were discouraged? At times, it seems as if that nobody is looking your way. How did you cope during that period when you were starting off as a businessman? How did you cope?
Because believe me, I've been very busy building the business to be mindful about what people think about me, what the world is thinking, what the world is saying. And I know depression sometimes comes as a result of your feelings about how people perceive you. You become depressed because you want to impress people, you want to impress the world. For me, when you are dedicated to your craft, when you are moving to your destination without allowing anybody to distract you, when you know that their mission in this world is to leave a legacy, a good legacy. I don't think we are going to be depressed thinking about what people. There will be ups and downs. There is no business that you are going to do today that will be an easy sell. But the thing is, do you know where you are going? Do you have a destination? Keep going there. That's the question I'm calling out to reach my destination. I don't know. Not on visit of social media may give you mileage today. It will not do that tomorrow. And when they do that controversy, after about 5 years or 7 years, that is when you will know that part of recipe is part of recipe. So, on social media, and they know, because it is now a way of life. And like I said, there are no rules, but it is self-regulated.
Wow. Shall we celebrate him, please? Thank you so much, sir. You see why it's important to speak from the heart. We've learned a lot. True words coming from a father who has seen it all in business. Thank you so much, sir, for honoring us. We don't have the high and mighty to present, but to acknowledge your coming on our stage today. We, the SM First team, wishes to present you this certificate of appreciation. It's our little token to show our great appreciation for honoring our stage today. Thank you so much, sir. Photographs.